If you over-supinate, this means that you walk more on the outside edges of your feet. It's very clear to tell if you do this because you'll see on the bottom side of your shoes that the wear pattern isn't even. You'll wear out, like this shoe, more on the outer corner of the heel edge of your shoe. So in this case, our insoles can make a really big difference in helping to balance the foot out. They've got a nice deep heel cup to help with alignment, but also they come with these extra gel ramps that you can use as a heel wedge to help tilt the foot to a more neutral position. There are outlines on the bottom side to show you exactly where to place them for over-supination. So you'll peel off the film on the back side to reveal the adhesive, and then you'll stick the ramps down in place to add posting and help to bring the foot to a more neutral position. Let's say that one ramp isn't quite enough for your feet and you really over-supinate in a bigger way. You can always purchase extra gel ramps, and they come with 2 pairs or 4 ramps, and then you can use an extra ramp to stack on top of the current ramp and double the amount of support and posting to balance your foot out if you have a more extreme case of over-supination. A lot of times we find that people with very high arches also over-supinate. So in this case, you would add extra arch support, and then you can also add a ramp on the outside to stop the over-supination. If the gel ramps end up getting dirty and less sticky, you can simply rinse them under water, scrub the dirt off, set them out to air dry, and the adhesive will renew so that you can use them again.